PA's off.
The kind of PA kind of went away.
Yeah, sorry. Shut it down and do whatever you want. I don't know what's going on.
Maybe the curtain. That's what happened. Hey, 1, 2. That's better.
We're back. No, that's good. That's fine. Here we go. Pick it, Earl.
1, 2.
Ah.
1. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, let far on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone knowing that you're gone. You're calling me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to see another man's darling and know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, blow it far on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yes, I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back.
Welcome back to Carmine's Country Corner. Hey, we got the kids are showing up, and Colleen's here with Ollie and Isla and all of them. They're showing up. Hey, Joe, thanks for coming up, Joey. Appreciate it. We got Roy's going to be getting up with us here in a little bit, doing a couple of things with us, Paul.
Yeah.
And
Hardly wait.
now the sad
Excited.
part of the news is our good friend Howard Earwood passed away.
Howard's gone. He was a great friend and a great guitar player.
Yeah, played good, and he was pretty good friends with Don McGinnis too.
Oh, yeah.
You know, they were pretty close. And so, Howard, to your family, to you, God bless you. Thank you for all the good times we shared, because I played with that man many times. And so, to his family, we wish you all well. We're gonna miss Howard. He was living in Tennessee.
Yes.
You know, I just saw him about 3 years ago. I
He's been in
visited
Nashville
with him.
for 20 years, I think.
Yeah. He sold Don McGinnis a guitar.
Did he?
And I had to meet him in Nashville and pick the guitar up from Howard, Sue and I,
Yeah.
put it in the car, and I drove it to North Carolina and gave it to Don.
Nice.
So I was kind of the connection because I was going to Nashville anyway, and it was good. We had breakfast.
Oh, that's
We
great.
visited for a couple of hours. Yeah, so I'm glad I got to see him because I hadn't seen him in quite a few years
Good, it's been a while. Yeah.
since he had moved. So thank God for that.
We also lost Art Fine.
Yes, Art Fine.
Who?
Art Fine, he was a great impresario and a writer and a lover of rock and roll music. He puts on shows.
Oh, okay. Well, I never heard that before.
Yeah.
Well,
he
I'm
was a
sorry.
great
He's
he was a great putter honor of shows.
Not to mention somebody more famous than a lot of people is Jeannie Seeley passed away.
Jeannie Seeley, yeah.
And
Great country singer.
yeah,
Yeah.
and she was a lovely lady too. I
Beautiful.
saw her on many shows, and she was what a personality she had. God, so entertaining. Anyway, that's enough of that. You know, life goes on, and here we are. Yeah, Bob Smith Toyota is right next door. And we're up here having fun. It's a little hot, but Tony's not with us this week.
No, I thought he might be, but he's not.
Well, you know, he's always welcome, but everyone.
We got Brandon.
Yeah.
We got Juniper Jean.
Yes, we do.
We got Ollie. Where's Isla?
She's having an attitude adjustment.
Ah, okay, in the car. Okay.
Okay,
Well, maybe
well.
she'll come along soon.
That's who I thought that was, but from so far away, I couldn't tell the difference.
Yeah, this is Juniper. She's
Juniper, I saw her
PJ's
the other
kid.
day. Yeah,
That's right.
yes. And PJ is looking just lovely.
Oh,
What a pretty lady, and of course Stephanie's the doll. You know.
This country hat she's wearing, it has lights on.
Who?
Is it Juniper?
Oh yeah, the hat. That is a beautiful cowboy hat. She dressed right for the occasion.
Yes, ma'am.
You look very nice. All right, Swan, do one. And turn that piano up.
Why don't you guys turn down?
Yeah, no. Well, let's hold it.
Jeff,
We're not turning down.
Jeff,
Turn the
keep
piano
on.
up.
Oh, turn it up then.
There you go. That's what I
Turn
said.
it up.
I asked him to turn the piano up. He tells me to turn down. Now wait a minute.
What a concept.
Yeah,
One more last chance. Hey.
I love that song.
Good. You wanna come? One, two.
She was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good book in the left hand, rolling bean in the right. Said you come on for the last time. Whiskey on your breath. You're gonna listen to my preaching. I'm gonna beat you half to death. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby. It's the best that I can do. Just a good old boy and making noise, running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Where'd she hit my glasses? 'Cause you know that I can't see. Said you ain't going nowhere, boy. Spend a little time with me. When my friends call on the honky tonk, there's a party going on around here. She may hit my car key, so I gotta get my hold on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby.
Vince Gill, one more last chance. What else has been going on? Oh, we just did the county fair on Friday night.
We did, Ventura.
Ventura County Fair.
Beautiful fair.
Well, I said county fair. I didn't say which
county? We got a few.
Ventura, and it's so nice up there. It's right on the ocean,
Beautiful.
and the breeze is good, and it's.
And
it
Carrie
was-
sings great.
yeah, I love the way
Yeah,
Carrie
she's a good
sings.
singer.
Love it. I'm proud to be working with her that many years. This was like my 15th year, I think, doing that
Wow.
county fair because of her and Jimmy. They do it, and they always call me, and I just love doing it with them.
My second one with her.
Yeah, it's great.
Second
She,
one,
and,
very good.
and you know, she loves you.
Ah,
She
Oh.
just likes your harmony and the way you play and everything about you.
feeling is mutual.
Now Dan's done that with us quite a few times too.
Yeah, I played with her once.
I thought it was more than that. Maybe not. But anyway, it was at least once. Normally Dave Wilson does it.
Yes.
And George Green on the drums. I just love George. We love you. He's
He's
got a great attitude.
He's great and he's a lot of fun.
He is a lot of fun. You ask him a question, you know, he said, you know what his answer is? Or he says, I'm just a drummer. You can ask him what time it is. He says, I'm just a drummer. I don't know nothing. He's a very funny cat. Anyway, all right, Paul, hit us again.
All right, hey, good looking in C.
Start with the two up.
What?
You gonna go with the two on the LP?
Yeah. 251. Come on. Ready there? Yeah. 1, 2, 1. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill. I know a spot right over the hill. Soda pop and the dancing is free. You wanna have fun? Come along with me. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? I'm free and I'm ready, so we can go steady. How's about spending all your time with me? Oh, no looking, I know I've been took. How's about keeping steady company? I'm gonna throw my date book over the fence. Buy me one for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age. 'Cause I'm writing your name down on every page. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? I'm gonna throw my date book over the fence. Buy me one for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age. 'Cause I'm writing your name down on every page. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? I said, how's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up with me? Yes,
You
sir.
know what? It might sound good without the carpet. It might be too good.
Oh,
Maybe.
maybe.
I got all this, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like, oh man, I got all this and everything going on.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
all
yeah.
soaking wet. Yeah, we were just discussing maybe it sounds. What am I saying? Maybe the tone of the band sounds a little different because we don't have carpet on the floor, which tends to deaden everything down. Today it feels like it's a little brighter,
It does.
and it might be because of that.
Could be.
So you know.
Did you say carpet?
Carpet.
Carpet.
That's carpet. That's from back east. We have carpet back east. I don't know what you have out here, but anyway. Maybe I'll do one. TV. This old smoke-filled bar, something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Come on by, see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you'll always find me here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by, see me anytime you want to. And you'll always find me here till closing time. I got everything I'll need to drive me crazy. I've got everything I'll need to lose my mind. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause I'm always here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by, see me anytime you want to. And you'll always find me here to closing time. I've got everything I'll need to drive me crazy. And I've got everything I'll need to lose my mind. And the atmosphere in here is just right for heartache. I forgot the next line, but I know what the next one is. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by, see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here till closing time. End of story. What?
I think Jim Gordon played drums on that.
Did he really?
I think so.
You sounded just like it to me.
I know.
You sound actually better.
I know. Well, he's guy who is it?
I know. His mom or something.
Yeah,
Oh,
Gil's
I think I knew him years ago. Maybe I did.
What?
Anyway, we're just talking about a drummer who played on that record, and unfortunately, took a wrong turn and he didn't do a smart thing and ended up in jail. Anyway, God bless him. Good drummer. He was a good guy. Paul, what do you got?
Let's do in E.
Key of E.
Coming for to carry me home.
Oh,
Swing Low, Sweet
swing.
Chariot. Sometimes it takes a while to get around to the title. You got to sing the whole song all the way through the chorus, and then right at the end, there's the old title.
There it is.
I looked over Jordan, and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. I am sometimes up and I am sometimes down, coming for to carry me home. But still my soul feels heavenly bound, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. If you get there before I do, coming for to carry me home. Tell all my friends I am coming too, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Coming for to carry me home.
Paul, you're getting around on that flat top pretty good these
I have a
days.
pretty good time with it.
Yeah, yeah, man. I hope you're having fun.
I am having fun.
Good. Well,
I need to get a volume pedal though, so that
well,
would be
yeah,
helpful.
yeah. Do a little bit of. Yeah, well, you'll get there. You're
'Cause
doing great.
I don't have one of those little knobs on here.
You can't. Well,
It's
do it
just-
on the amp. Turn the amp up a little bit. Anyway, great job. Good job, Paul. Swan.
On the road again.
Let's do it.
One, two, three, and. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends. Like the seas keep on turning our way. Turning our way. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends. Life seems to keep on turning our way, turning our way. On the road again, just can't wait to get on the road again. Life I love making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. No, I can't wait to get on the road again. No, I can't wait to get on the road again.
On the road again. You know, my good friend Mickey Rooney Jr., who passed away a couple of years ago, was in that Honeysuckle Rose movie.
Great movie.
Yeah,
It's
and
a great movie, and he was great in
he
it.
did. He played like a real big star. Like he was the big country star, rhinestone cowboy. They dressed him up with all this really glitter stuff and gaudy looking outfit, and he had to play a real cocky star, you know, and he did. I mean, he really played it great. And Willie was like the up and coming guy that was down to earth and he really had all the talent, you know. And they got in a fight. I think Willie knocked him out or something. Punched. It's a great movie. But I remember how excited he was when he got the part. He says, "Come on, I'm going to do this movie with Willie. I'm so excited." And it was a lot of fun those days. Talking about some girl. Okay. Oh, yeah. Who was the girl that played?
Amy.
Yeah, Amy.
She married like a producer or something.
Oh, I don't know all that, but I do know that I do know it was a fun movie. Mickey and I watched it together. We laughed our butts off.
It was a good one.
All right, Paul. Oh, wait a minute. No, let's get Roy up. This would be a perfect time. Come on up, Roy. Come do a couple of songs with us, and we'll have a little bit of fun. Oh, here. You
peaceful, easy feeling. Yeah, QB. Yeah. I like the way you're sparkling in reflect against your skin so brown. And I wanna sleep with you in the desert tonight, with a billion stars all around. And I got a peaceful, easy feeling, and I know you won't let me down, 'cause I'm already standing on the ground. And I found out a long time ago what a woman can do to your soul. How she can take you anywhere if you don't already know how it goes. And I got a peaceful, easy feeling, and I know you won't let me down, 'cause I'm already standing on the ground. I got this feeling I may know you as a lover and a friend. This voice keeps whispering in my other ear, telling me I may never see you again. But I've got a peaceful, easy feeling, and I know you won't let me down, 'cause I'm already standing. I'm already standing. Yes, I'm already standing on the ground.
Got another one?
How about, do you know I've got a yearning by Merle Haggard? I've got a yearning. You ever heard that Merle Haggard too?
No. We know it? No. No. The band said no.
Pan says no.
I'm willing to try, but I'll try anything.
All right, well,
I'm
let's,
crazy. Do something else, man.
I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll do that song Paul likes about the sensuous woman.
Oh, that's sensuous woman.
Okay, that's all right with me. I have no problem with that.
Woman, ooh, sensuous woman. You control the world I'm living in. Woman, ooh, sensuous woman. Release my body and let me live again. Step by step, you taught me easy loving. Night by night, you taught me in your web. My self-control was overruled by passion. I couldn't see the heartache just ahead. Woman, ooh, sensuous woman. You control the world I'm living in. Woman, ooh, sensuous woman. Release my body and let me live again. Someone's true at home, I should be with her. And she don't know how great your ecstasy. Many hearts will break if I don't conquer. This lustful spell you cast all over me. Sensuous woman, you control the world I'm living in. Woman, sensuous woman, release my body and let me live again. Release my body and let me
Yeah, Ron.
Good job.
Okay.
Good, thank you. Dr. Teresa, come on up real quick. You want to do one? Yeah, you. How bad is it? Give us a piano song. What do you got? Next, we got a portion of the program. What you got? Okay, what key? Okay, key is G. What song? Take the chains from my heart. Chains from my heart. So it's not the other one.
Hank Williams, right?
Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna start.
So we'll start on the 5.
Okay.
5511.
Okay.
2.
Take these chains from my heart and set me free. You've grown cold and no longer care and no longer care for me. Yeah, money is gone, but the heartache lingers on. Take these chains from my heart and set me free. Take these chains from my heart and set me free. Take these tears from my eyes so I can see. If you found somebody new, let me find somebody too. Take these chains from my heart and set me free. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Thanks guys, thank you.
You know, we have a lot of good people to support the show, and they come up, and so they want to play too, Paul. You know, so we share the stage, and Dr. Teresa.
Everybody wants to get into the
Yeah,
act.
yeah. Jimmy Randy used to say, I don't
Jimmy
know.
Durante.
He used to say, I don't know whether you're laughing at me or with me, but keep laughing. All right, those guys did a good job. Oh, what do you got?
Oh, let's do. Hickory Wind. In South Carolina, there's many tall pines. I remember the oak tree that we used to climb. But now when I'm lonesome, I always pretend that I'm getting the feel of hickory wind. I started out younger in most everything. All the riches and pleasures. What else could life bring? But it makes me feel better each time it begins, calling me home. Hickory wind. Well, it's a hard way to find out that trouble is real in a faraway city with a faraway feel, but it may
makes me feel better each time it begins, calling me home. Hickory wind keeps calling me home. Hickory wind. Thank you, folks. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What a great little crowd we got here tonight,
We
Carmen.
do. They're fun. It's fun. It's fun. Go about here, not too fast. Go to the floor. I'm going out on the highway. Listen to the big trucks whine. I'm going out on the highway. Listen to those big trucks whine. Whine up, Paul. And that white freight line gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston. Half my friends have died. There's bad news from Houston. Half my friends have died. And that white freight liner is gonna satisfy my mind. Satisfy me, dearie. Yeah. Oh, play one. That old dog will bite, and people there will treat you fine. They were dancing a minute ago, Paul. They were dancing.
Oh, yeah.
That old dog will bite, but people there will treat you fine. 'Cause that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. end of that.
Yeah, that was great.
It was fun. I did kind of a different time. I didn't do it so fast.
I like it like
Yeah, I like that groove. That's kind of a fun groove.
that. Any way it comes out.
Swan, do us a song. You're listening to Carmine's Country Corner. We're a local country and western kind of middle of the road band. We have a lot of fun, and what's really humming? Well, that might be and that's okay. Well, that's fine. It's part of the action. And so we got a lot of local people that come around and watch us play, and we have a lot of fun. And so thanks for watching. If you're watching on Facebook, make sure you push like and share. And if you're watching us on YouTube, push subscribe and something else, and you'll know what that is. That wasn't me, was it? No.
No, it's me. I fixed it.
Well, I always turn my volume down because
I don't know what was
telecasters hum. They're famous for that, you know. Anyway, so what's Gary? What do we got, buddy?
Lonesome Me, G. 1, 2, 1, 2. Everybody's going out, having fun. Just the people staying on, having none. Can't get over how she's setting me free. Oh, lonesome me. Big mistake I know I made, hanging around. I know that I should be up and down, being around town. Thought of everything, made it easy. Oh, lonesome me. I bet she's not like me. She's out and fancy free. Flirting with boys with all their charm. Well, I still love her so. And brothers don't you know. Welcome right back here, my arms. Well, there must be somewhere I can lose. Lonesome blues. Forget about the past and mine. Come out in you. Thought of everything, made it easy. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, Peggy. Well, I bet she's not like me. Hadn't paid the free. Flirting with boys with all her charm. Well, I still love her so. Oh, and brother, don't know. I welcome her right back in my arms. But it must be someday I can lose on the blues. Forget about the past and mine. Somebody new. Thought of everything, made it easy. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me. Damn, that was good.
I think you woke him up on that one, Gary. Hope you're enjoying the show, folks. Make sure you keep tell a friend, watch it, subscribe, do all that stuff to help us out because we've been doing this over 5 years now. 5 years and about 2 months. No, this is our last show until first week of September because Susie and I do our little yearly August run around the country trip, see a bunch of friends and different people. I won't mention names, but what we are going to do is we're going to, Sue will take her phone and do little minute clips and ship them over to Kim, and then she'll put them on the site. So if you want to see where we are, what we're doing for the next 3.5 weeks, just look us up, Carmine's Country Corner. You'll see me talking to different people, and We're going to be in Nashville, and where else? Oh, well, first we're going to Texas. I'll tell you about this one. My brother Tony, he's been on the show many times, and my older brother Phil play harmonica, and they're really good at it, and they belong to a harmonica group. Now, it's pretty well known, people that know me that I play with know that the harmonica is like, that's probably not the first guy I'd call if I was going to start a band. But I do love harmonica players, and they're all great. But anyway, so they play. So we go every year. I've been doing it about the past 10 years with them. We go to this big harmonica convention, and I get to play for 5 days with about 450 harmonica players. Now, you know, you come up with whatever you want to come up with on that one. I'm not going to say anything. But they're great. Palmer said, I'm good.
Yeah, he's got his snare and brushes ready.
He's ready.
You gotta come right on.
And plus, he plays good harmonica, too.
That's true.
He's another guy that can play. So, but it's a lot of fun. We get together, and Tony kind of sets up this group thing. Tony's great at this. And there's not a whole lot of singing going on. It's mostly, he's got the harmonica holder and the acoustic guitar. He'll just kick off a song, and then, you know, I play a little guitar with him, and Phil's there playing. And then all of a sudden, someone will pull up a chair, and before you know it, there'll be like 20, 30 harmonica players all sitting around and suggesting a song. And oh yeah, we know that one. And we just, and I'm talking like 2-3 hours straight. We'll start at 10 in the morning. We don't quit till 12, 1 o'clock, and then we go to lunch. And then we come back about 3, 4. We start playing. We quit at midnight. I mean, like, and they just keep coming. It's really a lot of fun. So anyway, I'm doing that the first, that's our first stop. I'm going to go see my son Charlie in Texas, and then I'm going to San Antonio to the harmonica convention, and then we go from there. I'm either going to Shreveport. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's Shreveport, and then from Shreveport we go to Nashville, and from Nashville we go to North Carolina. So it's all music, and it's a lot of fun. So we'll keep you posted on what we're doing. Is it 7 o'clock already?
Yes.
God, I talked way too much this show. Sorry, folks.
Hey, Carmine.
What do you got, Gary?
Do you know the definition of a gentleman is somebody that has a harmonica and will not play it?
Yeah. Yeah, what's the old joke about the guy? All the musicians are on stage playing, and some guy's got like a overcoat on, and he's got his hand in the overcoat, and he's walking up slowly to the stage, and everybody in the band's thinking, what does this guy want, or something like that, and then he pulls out a gun, and the drummer says to the bass player, thank God I thought it was a harmonica.
Let me tell you my little harmonica joke.
Tell me, he's going to tell us a joke.
It's not a joke, this really happened to me.
Oh, I want to hear it.
So I was going to this school, you know, with my girlfriend of mine, and we were going to these schools, and we were playing music and showing all these kids all the different instruments, right? My girlfriend goes, hey, who wants to hear Johnny play harmonica? And you hear this kid in the back go, I'm good.
I love it.
That was my son, by the way.
Yeah, well, a smart kid. No. Anyway, we're having a lot of fun. Okay, it's 2 minutes after 7. We're going to do a closer. We love you all. Roy, thank you. Of course, Dr. Teresa. She's here every week, and every once in a while we get her up and we have a little bit of fun with her. Dr. Kathy, thank you. I think her name was Heidi. Of course, Roy. My daughter Kim, Brandon, my grandson Joey, Colleen, Isla.
Juniper Jean
Oh,
and Isla,
and Isla.
Raleigh,
Yeah.
Holly,
And
Stephanie.
Is that JP or Stephanie?
That's Stephanie.
That's Stephanie. Where's JP?
PJ is
PJ.
on her way back to Yosemite.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway, we're here. We're having fun. So great
Well,
to
but
see you guys.
Junie decided to hang around for a few days.
Good. I'm glad she didn't. She's holding the flag.
She is.
You're holding an American flag. That's very sweet. Very proud. Good for you, honey. Okay, Paul, what do you want to close with? One more, we're out of here.
I'm blue, I'm lonesome too, key of G. Key of A, sorry, key of A. Make that an A. Too late. Some side of a train going by.
I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of the train going by makes me wanna stop and in the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind it moans and cries. Out those lovesick blues, I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle